I'm Medhamsh. I'm a DevOps service area lead here at Axelerant. The whole intention of DevOps culture is to get the blame game away. So when you get your application onto production, and if it fails, you can't simply say that this server system administrator was crappy and he just failed it on the production. And when you just go and ask him why did it fail, he shouldn't be pointing his fingers onto the developers and said they did a very bad job in writing this code. That's not the intention of DevOps. So we don't want this blame game. When we talk about production loads, we have different technologies and we are embracing containers. So containers are something which are so unique and isolated environments with each other. So this makes it much easier to maintain and also to have equivalent set of setups both in the development environments and in the production environments. So one such example would be Docker. And to orchestrate all these containers, we need an orchestrator. So one such thing which is very popular these days is Kubernetes. And you have Kubernetes offering from all the cloud providers we have. Like AWS has got one, Microsoft Azure has got its own Kubernetes offering, Google does its own Kubernetes offering, DigitalOcean also gives its own Kubernetes offering. So we try to be cloud agnostic and the technology is specific. So whoever comes to us and who wants their loads to be run on Kubernetes, we pick that and then we just choose whatever cloud is best suited for their requirement. Or if they come up with their own requirement of wanting to be on AWS, we just choose that and help them to get them there. No one cared about these aspects of how it was built and how it's maintained. It was a much underrated area. So I was just focusing on that and willing to learn how things are handled in the backend. After doing that, I gradually got some interest, and then I wanted to see how important it is for the rest of the world to understand about when they write their software. So when they write their software, they should keep in mind where that software is going to run on and how it's going to be maintained and how they are going to provide upgrades to that and how are they doing it to the guy who is maintaining those servers. How seamlessly can they do this handover? So all these things really felt to be very important problems to me to solve. That was the motivation for me to look in that direction and start learning them. And then once I did, I'm really enjoying what I'm doing with them.